Hello, everyone. Welcome to Google Cloud Next.
Today, I'm pleased to announce that we are making Google's global private network available to enterprises around the world. We call it Cloud Wide Area Network, or WAN. Cloud WAN leverages Google's planet-scale network. It's optimized for application performance and delivers over 40% faster performance while reducing total cost of ownership by up to 40%. Companies like Citadel Securities and Nestlé are already using this network for faster, more reliable solutions. And it'll be available to all Google Cloud customers later this month. Today, I'm proud to announce our 7th generation TPU, Ironwood, is coming later this year. Compared to our first publicly available TPU, Ironwood achieves 3,600 times better performance, an incredible increase. It's the most powerful chip we have ever built and will enable the next frontier of AI models. In the same period, we've also become 29x more energy efficient, and Amin will share more later today.
Today, we introduced our 7th generation of TPUs, Ironwood. Ironwood TPUs are our largest and most powerful TPU pods to date, more than a 10x improvement from our most recent high-performance TPU, with over 9,000 chips per pod. To meet the exponentially growing demands of the most demanding thinking models, like Gemini 2.5. This delivers a staggering 42.5 exaflops of compute per pod. To give you a sense of the scale, the world's #1 supercomputer supports 1.7 exaflops. Ironwood pods offer more than 24 times that compute power. Software is how we orchestrate and simplify access to this powerful hardware. And today, we're introducing 3 enhancements for AI inference. First, we're introducing new inference capabilities in Google Kubernetes Engine, including Gen AI-aware scaling and load balancing features, which help reduce serving costs by up to 30%, tail latency by up to 60%, and increase throughput by up to 40%. Second, we're announcing that Pathways, Google's own distributed ML runtime powering Gemini, is now available for the first time for cloud customers. Developed by Google DeepMind, Pathways enables state-of-the-art multi-host inferencing for dynamic scaling with high performance at optimal costs. Now you can scale out model serving to hundreds of accelerators for the best combination of batch efficiency and low latency. Third, we're bringing vLLM to TPUs. This allows customers who optimize PyTorch with vLLM for GPUs to easily and cost-efficiently run their workloads on TPUs. All of these AI hypercomputer hardware and software enhancements together enable us to deliver more intelligence or useful AI output at a consistently low price. This is one reason why Gemini 2.0 Flash, powered by AI hypercomputer, achieves 24 times higher intelligence per dollar compared to GPT-4o, and 5 times higher than DeepSeek R1. Today, we are announcing that Gemini can run on Google Distributed Cloud locally in air-gapped environments, as well as connected environments. This all comes with the support for NVIDIA's confidential computing and Blackwell systems, DGX B200 and HGX B200 platforms, with Dell as a key partner. This complements our Google Distributed Cloud air-gapped product, which is now authorized for US government secret and top secret missions, and on which Gemini is now available, providing the highest levels of security and compliance.
Today, I'm pleased to announce 3 new innovations with Gemini in Workspace. Help me analyze in Google Sheets, which guides you through your data to complete expert-level analysis. Audio overviews in Google Docs, where you can interact with docs in an entirely new way by creating high-quality audio versions of your content. And Google Workspace flows to help you automate time-consuming, repetitive tasks and to make decisions with more context. Today, we're making Lyria available on Google Cloud to transform text prompts into 30-second music clips, and we're the first hyperscaler to offer this capability. Let's hear a clip from Lyria. We are excited to announce the general availability of Meta's Llama 4 on Vertex AI. And last week, we announced that AI2's full portfolio of open models are also accessible on the Vertex AI Model Garden. With Vertex AI, you can be sure your model has access to the right information at the right time. You can connect to any data source or any vector database on any cloud. And announcing today, you can build agents directly on our existing NetApp storage without requiring any data duplication. You can connect to a broad range of applications, including Oracle, SAP, ServiceNow, and Workday. And for model factuality, we offer the most comprehensive approach to grounding on the market today, combining grounding with Google Search, grounding with your own enterprise data, Google Maps, and third-party sources. With Google Cloud, starting today, you can build and manage multi-agent systems with Vertex AI and our new agent development kit. You can scale the adoption of agents across your enterprise with our newly released Google Agent Space. And you can accelerate deployment with packaged AI agents that are ready for use today. Following the introduction of Vertex AI Agent Builder last year, we're announcing today a new agent development kit. It is a new open source framework that simplifies the process of building sophisticated multi-agent systems. Now you can build sophisticated Gemini-powered agents, help them use tools, do complex multi-step tasks, including reasoning or thinking. You can also discover other agents, learn their skills, and enable agents to work together while maintaining precise control. Agent Development Kit supports the Model Context Protocol, which provides a unified way for AI models to access and interact with various data sources and tools rather than requiring custom integrations for each and every one. We're also introducing a new agent-to-agent protocol that allows agents to communicate with each other regardless of the underlying model and framework they were developed with. This protocol is supported by many leading partners who share our vision to allow agents to work across the multi-agent ecosystem, and with agents built on other agent frameworks, including LangGraph and Crew AI. Today, we're putting AI agents in the hands of every employee with Google Agent Space. Employees using Google Agent Space can now find and synthesize information from within their organization, converse with AI agents, and have these agents take action on their behalf for their enterprise applications. Google Agent Space combines Google Quality Enterprise Search, conversational AI or chat, and Gemini and third-party agents. It also includes a broad set of tools, including purpose-built connectors to search and transact with documents and databases, as well as SaaS applications with advanced security and compliance to protect your data and your intellectual property.
Today, we're announcing our next generation of Customer Engagement Suite, which will include human-like voices, comprehension, and the ability to understand emotions, so agents can adapt better during the conversation. Streaming video support, so virtual agents can interpret and respond to what they see in real time through customer devices. AI assistance to build custom agents in a no-code interface, and the ability to use a variety of tools through API calls to interact and perform specific tasks for your application, like look up products, add to cart, or checkout.
And today, we're very excited to announce specialized agents for every member of your data team. Now, for data engineering teams, we deliver agents for all aspects of the data engineering lifecycle, from catalog automation to metadata generation to maintaining data quality to data pipeline generation. And for data science teams, our AI agent acts as a comprehensive coding partner in your data science notebook, accelerating every step of your workflow from data loading and feature engineering to predictive modeling. And for data analysts and business users, our conversational analytics agent performs powerful, trustworthy analysis entirely in natural language. And you can also embed this agent inline in your own web or mobile application. And today, we're announcing new Code Assist agents to help with everything from modernizing code to helping with the full software development lifecycle. Developers can interact with our agents on a Kanban board, which provides a real-time display of the tasks Code Assist is working on, as well as the ability for developers to interact with our agents. Code Assist also has integrations with dozens of partners, such as Atlassian, Sentry, Sneak, and many more coming soon.